I'll be showing you the top Google Shopping apps for your Shopify store. These apps are going to really simplify the process to listing your products on Google Shopping. For each of these apps, we take a look at the reviews, pricing, and features so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. First up, we have Simprosys Google Shopping Feed. This is an extremely popular app on the Shopify App Store that makes it easy to submit product feeds for Google Shopping, Microsoft, Facebook, and Pinterest. It also helps to manage those Performance Max campaigns. It has robust filtering options to drill down lists of products, make it easy to customize exactly what you're looking for. You can resolve any item issues easily within the app, and it helps to automate the assignment of values for multiple attributes. In terms of pricing, for up to 500 products, it's $5 per month, and it goes up in price depending on the number of products you have listed, with up to 10,000 products being $17.99 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 6,000 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its excellent customer support, ease of use, and comprehensive features. Next up, we have AdNabu for Google Shopping Feed, so you can create error-free feeds across Google Shopping, Facebook, Instagram, Bing, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. So it really makes it easy to create and edit as well as manage these feeds, including features such as batch editing, importing and exporting, and automatic error checking. They have 24/7 support as well from Google Shopping certified specialists, and it's custom built for Shopify Plus stores as well, with headless store support and instant Shopify sync. Overall, it's going to let you optimize product feeds like an expert with unlimited AI-powered suggestions as well as product scores. In terms of pricing, it's free to install for stores with less than 10 orders. Plans start at $29.99 a month, and after 400 orders, it's going to be 5 cents per order. There is also a starter plan at $4.99 plus 6 cents per order above 10 orders per month, and goes up in price depending on the number of orders. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 650 plus 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for managing Google Shopping feeds, noting its user-friendly interface and AI-driven optimization that boosts product visibility as well as sales. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know the headache it can be to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit CALC comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations that are going to sync seamlessly with things such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options like AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. Having all these details, analytics, and metrics at your fingertips are going to allow you to make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. If you're in the Shopify App Store already, just search Profit Calc and then look for this logo in the top left here of Profit Calc ;Profit Calculator. So make sure you check that out, and again, there's a 15-day free trial. For our third app, it's called Multi-Feed Google Shopping Feed. Again, it's going to allow you to create customizable product feeds for multiple markets, fine-tuning all the attributes with expressions, and it's going to work with Google Feed, Facebook, Bowl, Bing, Pinterest, Klaviyo, as well as custom feeds here. It also fully supports Shopify markets as well as global e-localization. In terms of pricing, it's free for up to 1,000 variants and SKUs and 10 products. Paid plans start at $5.95 a month, going up to $25.95. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 760 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for managing and customizing product feeds across platforms like Google and Facebook. It also supports multilingual and multi-market pricing, essential for international sales. Wixpa Google Shopping Feed is our last app here, and it again allows you to create multiple product feeds for Google Shopping, Facebook, Pinterest, and Microsoft. So you can send these highly optimized data to Google Shopping product feed, including real-time syncing, bulk editing, feed rules, multi-currency, multi-language, and more. Additionally, you can create promotion feeds, local inventory ads, as well as regional inventory feeds. In terms of pricing, it's free for up to 5 SKUs. Paid plans start at $6.99, going up to $59.99, depending on the number of SKUs. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with over 370 5-star reviews. Merchants highly praise this app for its excellent customer support, and they appreciate its user-friendly interface and automation features that streamline product feed management. So this concludes the video here on the top Google Shopping apps available for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.